welcome back to the channel. So today we have a wig that comes to us from Sam's Beauty. This one here is going to be Janelle, and it is from the What Lace collection. Super excited to be bringing this one to you guys. So here is the care card that goes along with it. This one has HG lace. This is in a flamboyage color. It's straight natural tips. It's everything, obviously. So you guys can pick it up over on Sam's Beauty's website. They have so many colors, you guys. Look how many colors this wig comes in. It comes in a 613, burgundy wine, flamboyage caramel, flamboyage chocolate, flamboyage copper, flamboyage gold, flamboyage wine. All of the flamboyages you want, you can get them in. And those are the specialty colors that come also in regular colors as well. So I have my wig grip on, I have my wig cap on, and we gonna just get into it. Let me go ahead on and show you guys the cap construction because someone's gonna ask. This one here, you get plenty of parting area up in here. Look at all the parting area you get. The two combs are on the side of that parting area, and then you're going to get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, regular cap construction, and then you get all of this parting area. So I am going to have to tint this. I'm going to go in and tint it and everything. So let's go on and get into the review then. Okay guys, so what I decided to do with this wig is I wanted to pull it in a up and down style. So I decided to start with this front and push all the baby hairs or edges back. The hairline on this doesn't look too bad. It actually is pretty good. The lace came all the way down, and what I'm doing is I'm going to go in and try to cut it directly over my ear, and then I'm going to deal with that part later. I decided to use a little bit of glue in the front where I wanted to lay it down at because I was going to wear it for a couple of days. So I laid the whole front down. However, I only put glue basically from the top of each eyebrow just around the part where I was going to be putting the baby hairs at or the edges at. So I sprayed this wig down. I did leave more lace on it because I wanted to lay the hairs on the lace. I feel like when I lay the hair on the lace and not on my forehead that it stays better. So I did leave a little bit of hair so that, you know, the hair could last a couple of days. So I'm using my bed head and I'm going around and I'm spraying the hairline down. And like I said, as you can see, it's like a cast because I left a little bit more lace on than normal. I'm spraying that down and then I'm slicking it back at the same time. So I took a couple pieces of hairs out. Like I said, the hairline on this is pretty good, you guys. I love the What Lace. It's phenomenal. So I'm going in and I'm taking and making a couple of wispy edges in the front. I decided to make it where if I wanted to wear it down, I could wear it in the middle part, or if I wanted to wear it up. So I'm gonna put about 4 little swoops in the front, and then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clean up that residual. I did tie my hair down. I didn't show you guys here. I did tie it down. And then after I tied it down, I took the tie off, and then I decided to go in right here and pull it up. So as you can see, that flamboyage kind of peeks through. Also, there is a track there. So I did get strategic. I wanted that streak to show on both sides. So I got strategic when pulling it up so that I could see it on both sides and I wouldn't see any tracks. This is going to be the hairline and the finished product. I'm showing you here where I had a little bit more lace on that side, and if I wanted to, or if you want to, you can go ahead and cut that off, or you can put edges down to cover up the lace on that side. The hair was bone straight. The wig fit well. I didn't get any shedding with this. I love this color. I just love everything about it. It's so natural. The density on it and everything is natural. And like I said, this hairline just came out absolutely phenomenal. I wore it like this for a little while. The sides, I did go in and cut a little bit more of that lace off on the sides because I just didn't want to put any more hairs out. What I did is, as you can see, when I wore it before I cut the lace off, is I just pull a couple pieces of hairs down instead of having the hair go all the way back like I was when I was spraying it. So thank y'all so much for watching. Again, thanks to Sam's Beauty for sending the wig over. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscription button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.